Let me show you a proof why Hermes agent is known as a self-improving agent. I connected my WhatsApp with the Hermes agent. Thereafter, I asked simple question like tell me latest news about the stock market. Thereafter, it answered me. And it is not that only. After that, you will notice this line, that is the self-improvement review. It has patched its skill.md file with this skill web research alternatives. Basically, whatever it has learned while doing this web research, it actually added that in its self-improvement skills. That is why Hermes agent is known as self-improving agent. Hey everyone, this is Lakshmikant from KGP Talkie. So by the end of this lesson, you are gonna learn how to connect this WhatsApp with the Hermes agent. All right, everyone, let's go ahead and get started with WhatsApp setup with Hermes agent. You need to first of all open your terminal. Then on your terminal, you need to write here Hermes gateway and then setup. Thereafter, it is going to give you the option. Basically, it is going to give you all the channels which you can use with the Hermes agent. You are going to see here WhatsApp at number 4. That means if you press here 4, we can select WhatsApp and then we can get started with the WhatsApp configuration. Let's go ahead and do that. After that, in your case, it is going to ask about the mode selection. In my case, this mode selection is not coming because I had already done my WhatsApp setup with the Hermes agent. And at that time, I had selected the bot number. Basically, you will be getting two options there. In the one option, you will be getting bot. The another option you will be getting that is going to be the personal number. That means if you want to set Hermes agent WhatsApp with a dedicated number, then select the dedicated mode, that is the bot number. Otherwise, you can use this with your personal number as well, although that is not preferred. All right. Thereafter, you need to also provide here a phone number. The phone number which you can use to access your Hermes agent, because you don't want to open it for anyone. You don't want to open it for open world or the public. You want to provide access to only a particular persons. For example, let's say you want to provide access to your own number. So you can write here your personal number. For time being, I'm going to give here some sample number like 9876543 210. This is just a sample number. I'll change it later on to my personal mobile number. All right. Thereafter, it is going to install WhatsApp Breeze dependencies automatically. You don't need to do anything. It is going to download this. It is going to install this on this computer. All right. Hermes agent WhatsApp Breeze is installed. Now it is displaying here a QR code. I just need to simply scan this QR code so that I can connect my WhatsApp with the Hermes agent. All right, now as you see here, my WhatsApp is connected, pairing is completed, all credentials are stored inside the Hermes agent. All right, everything is done. Let's go ahead and select here 26. That means everything is done. Now it is going to restart the gateway. Let's go ahead and type here, yes, I want to restart the gateway. Thereafter, it is going to restart the gateway and then we will see our Hermes agent will be up and running with the WhatsApp connection. All right, gateway has stopped. Thereafter, gateway has restarted automatically, as you can see here. And in meantime, while it is restarting, it is also installing the WhatsApp gateway as well, so that it can be used finally with the Hermes agent. All right, everything is started. Now what we can do, we can just simply open Hermes agent. Thereafter, you need to close your Hermes agent once. Thereafter, you need to restart it again. Basically, we need to restart so that it can take the effect. All right, it has restarted. And thereafter, you can come here on messaging. And then inside the messaging, you would be able to see the WhatsApp here. In WhatsApp, you are seeing here a blue dot. That means WhatsApp is connected. If you come here, you can clearly see here your WhatsApp is connected. And this is where I'm going to provide my real mobile number so that I can send message from this mobile number to my business mobile number. And business mobile number is connected with the Hermes agent. That means I would be able to use the Hermes agent with my personal mobile number. All right. After providing my mobile number, I'll just save this, then it will restart the gateway. All right. I have provided my mobile number here. Thereafter, it saved it and then it is gone from here and it restarted the gateway. You can clearly see here WhatsApp is connected now. All right. Now let's go ahead and open our WhatsApp and send a message to our Hermes agent. But before I do that, let me clear one thing. If you are adding your number, you need to make sure you add your country code and then add the mobile number. For example, in my case, my country code is 91. Thereafter, I added my mobile number. Hypothetically, assume if it is this one, then it is going to be like this one. So where this is my mobile number and then this is going to be my country code. Otherwise, it will not work. All right, let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to send here hi. Now what it is going to do, it is going to invoke my Hermes agent. Now how it is working, let me just clearly show you. Basically, you have your business mobile number. This business mobile number is connected with the Hermes agent. Then behind the scene, this business mobile number is working with the Hermes agent, where Hermes agent have access to these chat histories here. So as soon as I write here hi, my Hermes agent is going to have access to these messages. Let me just write like this. Tell me latest news about the, let's say, about the stock market. All right. Excellent. So now what it is going to do, it is going to search the latest stock market, then it is going to give me the answer. As you can see here, it has started typing here. And finally, I have got here final answer. So final answer is like this. Here is the latest stock market headline from Seeking Apple. Breaking news is here. Top market stories is here. Thereafter, as you scroll it down, you can see here more news about the stock market. All right. So now you know how to connect WhatsApp. You understand how Hermes access WhatsApp messages. Now you can just simply control your Hermes agent through your WhatsApp and through your mobile itself. You don't need to be on computer. You just need to send a text message to your Hermes agent. Then it is going to work for you. All right, everyone. If you want to watch other videos, the link for that is already given in the video description. I have already published a lot of videos on the OpenClaw. I have published videos on OpenClaw versus Hermes agent, and I have also published a lot of videos on Hermes agent as well. Playlist link is given in the video description. All right, guys. Bye-bye. Take care.